garden. Right next to the garden, there's a Rolex store. Oh, this fountain is nice too. Oh, look at the grass, yeah? Whoa. Oh, I smell perfume. It's supposed to be jungle perfume. Another big giraffe up there. Oh, look at that big lion. Giant toucan. And giant zebras. Oh, I didn't even see the giant snake here, guys. There's a giant snake. We're hiding behind that flower. If I saw that in real life, I'll probably poop my pants. Let's try the backside. Alright. This is the backside of the jungle here. Big waterfall next in front of the giant toucan. And everything you see here is real. Yeah, all these plants, even the one down there, it's all real plants. That is QR code? Oh my god, do you think it's gonna work? Let's try? Alright, let's try.
If you use a QR app.
So usually when I use my camera, it picks up the code automatically. Okay, this is the back of the giant lion. Oh, the mane is made out of the plants too.
Oh my god.
I thought it was all fake.
Oh my god, the whole lion is made of plants.
Oh, okay. Looks like a rice, like outside the rice grain or something, right? I think inside is maybe cement or plastic, but the outside is made out of the grain. The outside of the grain. Wow. Yeah. Restaurant next to the garden. Very nice. And now we're back to where the big lion is. The lion and the Simba. The Lion King. Oh, look at that monkey, dude. Oh, that's a rich monkey. That could be a monkey king. A lot of koi fish down here. Yeah, it says please don't pass point in there.
Yet there's still like pesos and all this stuff.
Some people don't follow the rules. That's unfortunate for the fish, right?
Looks like the fish aren't eating the coins.
Yeah, hopefully not. Sometimes they nibble and oh, I like how they change the garden every time we come in here, right? The winter time is different, summertime is different. Yeah, it's really cool. So next to the garden here in Bellagio, there's the world's biggest chocolate fountain or chocolate waterfall. I don't know how to call it. Let's go check it out. What is it? Huh? Oh, you like this art? This art is called, well, it's made by Thomas Essen. He's Cuban in 1963. Very interesting art. Let's go check out the chocolate waterfall.
There's a chocolate waterfall.
Yeah, chocolate fountain or chocolate waterfall. Last time I checked, it was the biggest one in the world. So it's right behind. It's right behind the Bellagio garden. Yeah, they also sell gelato. You ate gelato before over there. Here. Remember this place? Yeah. Yeah. So a chocolate fountain. Yep. It's the world's largest chocolate fountain. They use over 500 feet of stainless steel piping. Wow. It goes up 27 feet and comes down here. Look at that. So you can see the chocolate flowing down from way up there. And down here. Let's take a better look. Let me step back a little bit. Oh yeah. So it comes down all the way from the ceiling over there. Oh, different types of chocolate. And then it comes down. Very cool. Which one's your favorite one, then?
White chocolate or milk chocolate?
White chocolate or milk chocolate? And they have different candies. Chocolate, of course. And they have, oh, I forgot to show you the gelatos. So they got different type of gelatos. Oh, they have less gelatos than last time I came here. Maybe they're running out or making more. A lot of desserts here. This is some desserts I saw at the buffet. So some coffee. They sell some sandwiches. And fruit bowls. We have the yogurt parfait. Some muffins. Oh, I'm sorry.